Dre. 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 Alright, we are back sa second half ng ating Pee-wee Under 13 Division. A game between the Rockets and Montreal with score of 21-15 with the Rockets up by 6 points. Tingnan natin kung magbabago pa tong games. So 31. Corner 3. Di pala. Attacks 36. Misses. 21 with the rebound. Number 15 gets the rebound and travels. All right, 37 with the ball. Number 31. Attacking, nabitawan yung bola, nakuha ni number 21 and now the Rockets are running with the layup pero na-block. Not in my house, sabi ng Montreal. Oh, number 15 scoring. Montreal running through the press. Oh, number 37 with an easy layup. Okay, Montreal running. Number 31 with the hop step and the finish, but can't. Oh, akala ko sasablay. I stand corrected. Umawa. Number 11 bringing the ball down. Binigyan ng screen ng number 21. Binigyan ng pasa and just couldn't finish. Number 5 shooting free throws. First free throw is no good. Second free throw is good. 1 for 2 para kay number 5 ng Rockets. And number 43 bringing the ball down. Number 31 swings it to 37. Binilik kay 31. Nag-hop step ulit but just couldn't finish. Number 31 shoots it over 3 defenders. Na-rebound ni number 5. Now number 15. The Rockets are running. Number 31 on the run with the layup. Number 15 passes it to number 5 and gets fouled. First free throw is good for number 5. Out of bounds. Last touchdown ng Rockets. Alright, Montreal bringing the ball down. Okay, to number 31. Na-strip. And a turnover pero nabawi ni number 10. Binigay kay number 43 who scores, gets fouled. Right, the score is 25-21. With the Rockets up by 4 points with 15 minutes left in the ball game. Okay, number 43 shooting free throws. Gerard Muhi. For 2 para kay number 43. Now the Rockets are running. Number 5 scouting the floor. Binigay kay number 15. Binalik kay number 5. And a turnover. Number 10 with the layup. Number 10 scoring, Charles Pedrajas. Did I say that right? I'm so sorry. You guys are watching. Okay, Montreal with the rebound. Matatanggal na yung glasses ni Kuya. Number 36 going all the way. Just couldn't finish but grabbed his own miss. And missed again. All right, the Rockets bringing the ball down to number 9. Crosses over. Corner 3 from number 5. Misses. Number 15 gets the rebound. Passes it to number 11. Number 0. Number 9. And na-steal ni number 43 who's gonna go for a layup. Ooh, just couldn't finish. Now number 11 is running para sa Rockets. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya. Pinasa niya sa corner para kay number 0. Binalik sa corner and shoots a 3 and misses. Rebound by number 31. Pero nadapa siya. Nakuha ni number 15 who shoots and misses. Gagawan sila sa rebound. Number 5 and end 1 play para kay number 5. Converts the free throw para sa 3-point play. Alright. Montreal sa high post. I think he travels. Score is 28-23. Rockets up by 5 with 12 minutes and 7 seconds remaining in the game. Number 11 trying to shake his defender. Crossover. Mata. Binigay kay 0. Nasa swings it to number 15 who shoots it for 3 and makes it. 2 points lang daw, sabi ni ref. Novak Ilic. Number 10 with the side step but couldn't finish. And a turnover para sa Rockets. Alright, inbound para sa Rockets. Command kay number 5, nadapa. Pero naipasa niya pa kay number 11. Ito ang gagawin nila. Number 5 swinging the ball. Number 9 swings it to number 0 who attacks, shoots and misses. Air ball. Alright, may na-injured yata. Okay, Rockets running, 2-on-1, fast break. Number 5, layup. Kala ko injured siya eh. Bigla siyang tumakbo. Number 5, Joshua Tran. Montreal. Ooh! With the volleyball strip by Joshua Tran. score now is 32-23 with the Rockets now up by 9 points with 10 minutes and 8 seconds remaining into the ball game. And may timeout tayo. Guys, this is the 2024 FBA&A Intercity Tournament, Niagara Region. And the game is between the Rockets versus Montreal para sa ating under 13 Pee-wee division. Timeout lang, guys. 10 minutes left sa game. And 9-point lead para sa Vaughan. Dito yung mga Toronto players natin sa likod. Eh. Alright, Montreal running number 5 ang bilis, leading the break. Easy 2 points. Grabe naman yung Josh Patran. Parang Giannis eh. Wala na, lumaki na yung lamang dito ng Rockets. Tingnan natin kung paano hahabulin to ng Montreal. Yung momentum talaga nasa Rockets na. Number 43. Swinging the ball. 36. Hooks and makes the shot for 2 points. Finds the cutter, number 9, just couldn't finish. Ang lalaki kasi nung tao dun. Montreal running. Passes it to number 31. Tries to shoot it but misses. Gets his own rebound. Ngayon niya ipasa pero nakuha ni number 11 ng Rockets. Okay. Now it's Rockets ball. Running. Easy lang daw, sabi ni number 11. Chill lang, lamang tayo. Ng Sham. Okay, number 11, binigay kay number 5. Hands off to number 9. Nakita niya si number 9 and corner 3 para kay number 0 who makes it. 3-point shot para kay number 0. Miles Mano. Number 37 with a floater, misses. At may tawag yung referee. May technical daw. May technical yata, guys. Free throw is good for number 36, Adriel Pinay. Kay Montreal, number 37. Gives it to number 9. Shoots it, just couldn't finish. Number 5 with the rebound, Josh Patran. Gives it to number 11. Who goes all the way, just couldn't finish. Na-rebound ng kakampi niya. I-put back pero hindi lang na-shoot. Nice, number 31. He gives it to number 39, who shoots it with a one-hander but just couldn't finish. Nakuha ni number 31. And out of bounds. Last touch daw ng Montreal. Oh no, last touch ng Rockets. Bola ng Montreal. Number 31, strong move to the basket. Nakuha niya pa yung sarili niyang miss. Still couldn't convert pero may foul. Number 31 will shoot free throws. Makes the first one. Jeremiah Capada. And 1 for 2. Para kay Jeremiah. Score now is 36-27. And the Rockets up by 9 points. And traveling daw si number 5 doon, sabi ni ref. Number 9, sorry. Montreal is running. Number 10 shoots a 3. Walang tinamaan. And it's out of bounds. Last touch by Montreal. Number 11 with the ball. Binigay kay number 5. Who goes all the way. Strong move. Para kay Joshua Tran. Grabe, Yanis na Yanis yung laruan nito. Sinong pipigil sa kanya? Ooh, with a much needed 3 points para kay number 9. Para sa Montreal. Here's the Rockets. Kumakat si number 11. Pinasa sa corner. Bigay kay number 9 sa wing. Binigay kay number 5. Easy lang daw. Reset. Pero may double team. Binalik kay number 9. Hinandoff kay number 11. He's gonna take him one-on-one. Nope. Binalik kay number 5. He's gonna attack. Binigay kay number 0. Pinasa sa corner para kay number 9 who doesn't shoot it. Oh, pina-waste na lang nila yung time, I guess. Number 5 swings it to number 0 sa corner. Number 11 sa high post. Shoots it but misses. Now Montreal is running. Number 39 with a foul right away. Ang bilis ng tawagan. Alright. Rockets ball. Binigay kay number 5. Number 15. With a tight defense from Montreal. Parang hindi makalapit sa ring itong Rockets. Pero kailangan nila makakuha ng stops. Kasi walang shot clock sa game na to. Or sa tournament na to, rather. Nasa poste. Number 21. Shoots it and makes it. Number 21. Score now is 40-30 with the Rockets up by 10 points with 2 minutes and 50 seconds left in the game. Matakbo na naman yung Rockets. Nakuha ni number 15. Easy layup for number 15. Novak Illich. Number 31 with the bank shot. Keep the game at 10 points. Passes it to number 9. Bigay kay number 0. Again, the score is 42-30 with the Rockets leading by 12 points against Montreal. Only 2 minutes left sa ball game natin. This is the 2024 FBA&A Intercity Tournament, Niagara Region. With the Pee Wee Under 13 Division. Number 9. Binigay kay number 5. Number 5, dribbling the ball, binalik kay number 11. Binalik kay number 5. I think tinatry na lang nila mag-waste ng clock kasi malaki na yung lamang nila. And eventually, magka-foul na talaga yung Montreal. Number 21, pinasa sa wing kay number 9. Binigay sa corner kay number 15. Binalik kay number 9. Kay number 5, binigay kay number 11. Foul. 1 minute and 8 seconds left para sa game na to. Number 11, the Rockets shooting free throws. Kaya pa kaya mahabol ng Montreal to? 1 minute and 8 seconds left. 10 points. We'll see. Alright, meron lang yatang mga discussion with the officials. Again, nandito tayo sa 2024 FBA&A Intercity Tournament Niagara Region. And we are live dito, courtesy of FTV sa Canada Games Park sa Niagara. So, pakishare na lang yung live stream. And itong game na to ay para sa ating under 13 Pee Wee division between Montreal and Rockets or Vaughan. And score currently is 42-32 with the Rockets leading by 10 points. And number 11 makes his first free throw. JJ Santa Maria. And 2 for 2 para kay JJ. That puts the Rockets up 12 points with 1 minute and 6 seconds left in the game. Number 17, pinamigay sa corner kay number 36. Lays up, misses. Gets his own rebound, shoots, misses. Gets his own rebound again. Pinasa sa labas. Tumira si number 37 and misses. Na-rebound ng Rockets. Now they're running. And a turnover para sa Rockets. And a chance to score para sa Montreal, but turns it over and recovers it back. 37 attacking with the one-hander but just couldn't finish. Number 5 with the rebound. Sabi ni number 11, easy lang, lamang tayo. At tapos na ang game. And there you have it para sa ating Pee Wee under 13 division between the Rockets or Vaughan versus Montreal, with the Rockets beating Montreal 44-32 with a 12-point lead. And